Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Outbase and it is the best AI-driven sales campaign. You can say like assistant. Also you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive benefits on this platform if you want to try it out for yourself as well, as I use it regularly. And here you can see I've created a fresh account to get a better understanding for you guys. Now it is used to boost up your sales campaign. It has a lot of features, like for example if you want to create your listing, you can do that by simply clicking on this build list on the dashboard. It is giving you a head start, but we are going to be looking at the features from the left side of our screen. First, let's head over to inbox section. Here you will be able to see all the emails and you want to respond and that are pending, and all the stuff is going to be residing or listed in here. Also you have your campaigns that you have created, you have campaign manager and calendar. Also we have email templates, so if you are trying to do the email marketing and stuff like that, you can use this email templates section. The email account, of course, the email account manager, if you want to handle multiple email accounts or domains, this could be used as well. And all prospects is going to be displaying the company's exclusions, and all the policies in here are going to be listed. So for boosting up your campaign, you can see all the features are available in here. You can see the awaiting engagement, engaged, opened, clicked, responded. So whatever email that you're sending, the statistics are going to be represented in here. Then we have reports, of course, a very important thing to get a better eagle-eyed view of your business. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to give it a try to Outbase, an amazing platform for best AI-driven sales campaigns. You can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefit on this platform. And yeah, if you like the video, you can subscribe. Make sure to head over to the link guys, it is really nice. So yeah, see you in the next video.